Welcome to the new K2 Systems website. In this tutorial, we will show you how to navigate our website so you can change the language and country and find and download documentation and technical information of each mounting system. On the top right, you can see three icons. The first is used to search anything within the website. The second is to select the language and country of products you wish to view. The third will allow you to log in to the K2 Systems user service. In order to find and download documentation for each system, there are three easy ways. The first is to click on the Product Catalog button at the top right. This will automatically direct you to a new page where you can find two sections, Mounting Systems and Scope of Application. Within these two areas, you can find each system and the different roof types and roof coverings that they are compatible with. Once you choose your selection, click the More button. This directs you to another page where you will find every component compatible with the system you selected. This page also has tabs to show the system description, downloads, and videos. In the Download section, you can find all of the technical documentation for that specific system. And on the Videos tab, there will be every video we have that is related to that system. The second way to find and download product information is to go back to the home page. From the product catalog, you can return to the website by clicking the Website button in the upper right corner. On the menu, click the Products tab. The landing page will give you an overview of the different system types. If you scroll down and click on the product catalog, this will take you right back to the catalog we were on previously. If you scroll back up, you can see three different solutions for systems: flat roofs, pitched roofs, and ground mount systems. On each of these pages, there is a jump navigation on the top that will jump to the section of the page you prefer: Overview, Solutions, Product Catalog, and References. If you click on the Solutions button, you'll see the different roof coverings that our systems can be installed on. If you click on any of these options, it will open up to show you specifically which systems can be used on this type of roof covering. If you click on the More button under any of these systems, this will take you to the individual product page where you can see the highlights of the system, videos, references, and downloads. The third and final way to find product information is to go to our Resource Center. This is the one-stop shop that has information on systems, roof attachments, components, and more. From the website, hover over the Services tab, then click on Resource Center. The first section here has a generator for engineering letters. Simply select the ASCE code, state, rail, and roof type you're looking for, and it will populate the correct engineering letter for you. Master engineering letters can be found just below the generator. Then the page moves into system documents, roof attachment documents, component documents, UL and other certifications, approved modules list, base support, and finally our warranty. To open any of these documents, simply click the arrow, then the following plus button, and then download whichever document you are needing. Remember that at K2 Systems, we are always striving to improve for you. Our new website and online catalog were created to make things easily available to you. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us.